Carlos, where you at? Oh, you're right there. Boy. We're up at the north part of Reno. Storm's brewing in. It moves in pretty fast here. Not that fast, but pretty fast. Good news is it dries up pretty quick too. Carlos and I are up here at the Ranch Disc Golf Course. Big monogram, mountain monogram up there. Stands for Ned Reno, our founder. Peavine Mountain up there. I'm going to go to the tippy top and show you all around when I get up there. It stands for University of Nevada, Reno, actually. Vast monument. This whole part has biking trails. It's very active. People everywhere. There's water down in the canyons there. That's not what we came here for. Carlos, check this out. Actually, I'm pretty good at this. I'd love to talk about the area, open up some doors. Give me a call, 775-742-3438. Brad Wass with the Kirby Group, Nevada Home Connections.